In the world of speed, only one animal comes close to the cheetah. He's been running the race of life on the African plains for 20 million years. And he's only got 2 legs. The ostrich. The world's biggest bird is not able to fly, but he can run like the wind. He might not look streamlined, but he's built for speed. Most birds have 4 toes. The ostrich has 2. Their feet have almost transformed into hooves. A hunter has caught the ostrich scent, a lioness. The only chance for the lioness to catch this male is ambush. But the ostrich has excellent eyesight and hearing. With that long neck, his head can be nearly 3 meters off the ground, a great lookout point. The lioness has so far not been spotted. She moves in closer. The ostrich senses something, a rustle in the grass. He sounds the alarm. The lioness breaks cover. Time for the ostrich to get moving. You have to be good to catch an ostrich. Too slow. The flock can get up to 90 kilometers an hour in seconds. The lioness is left with nothing to eat but dust. But even if she had caught this giant bird, she would have still had to fight hard. Those big, strong legs pack a powerful punch, and it would have been an excellent meal. Ostriches weigh over 100 kilos. Sustaining a body like this takes a lot of food. Ostriches eat fruit, seeds, and grass, but they will often take a grasshopper or other insect for some extra protein. The ostrich is the extreme of bird evolution. He may not be able to fly, but of all the birds, he runs the fastest race of life.